grade 7 and welcome to another episode of English on Air. I'm Teacher Anna, your fantastic study buddy. Let's begin with a game called 4 Picks 1 Word. You're going to guess or think what the word is from the set of letters given below the pictures. You get all the answers? Here they are. Did the details from the pictures help you figure out what the words were? I'm sure. In English, we also use details in order for us to restate a text using our own words. So let's try it. We will use one of the words as our topic, which is animals. Obviously, you know a lot about animals. So together, we will read a passage about it.
The presence of animals is essential because it maintains the balance in the ecosystem. In today's world, some animals also serve as companions and help reduce our stress, anxiety, depression, and loneliness. Every organism has a unique place in the food chain, and each contributes to maintaining the existence of life on this planet. Men learned early that with their more complex and advanced mind, they are superior over any other animal on earth.
Does the given statement effectively summarize the passage read? Did you know that there are easy steps and techniques that will help you get an accurate summary? We will find that out as we go along with our lesson.
In this lesson, you will be able to first identify the main idea and key points of a passage, and second, apply the guidelines in writing a summary.
What is a summary? Meaning to say, a summary is shorter than the original text. So how do we write a summary? In writing a summary, you decide what to include and what to omit and determine what information is relevant to your audience as well as its purpose. You may use the following 3 steps in writing a summary. Let's do the first step. Are you ready? Alright. The first step is identify the topic and the main idea. Check the first and last sentences and look for the repetition of ideas. Here's the text.
According to D&D 2020, bats in fact perform a number of valuable functions. Their greatest economic value is in eliminating insect pests. Insect-eating bats can catch 600 mosquitoes in an hour and eat half of their body weight in insects every night. In many tropical rainforests, fruit-eating bats are the main means of spreading the seeds of tropical fruits. Nectar-feeding bats pollinate a number of tropical plants. If it were not for bats, we might not have peaches, bananas, mangoes, guavas, figs, or dates.
So what are the topic and the main idea of the text? Exactly! The paragraph focuses on bats, and the main point of the paragraph is the bats perform a number of valuable functions. This is the most important thought about the topic. Notice that the word bats repeated 5 times in the text. We're done with the first step. That's a good start. Now, let's proceed with the second step. What is our second step again? Unbelievable! You are right.
In looking for the important details to be included in your summary, you may use the following hints. Ask the following WH questions. What information is emphasized in the text? Who are the persons or groups of people being talked about in the text? When did the situation or event happen? Where did the action take place? Why was the action done or conducted? How were the procedures or actions done?
This time, we're going to look for the important details in the paragraph, which will explain or prove the main idea. These sentences may present facts, reasons, examples, definitions, comparisons, contrasts, and other pertinent details. They are the most important because they support the main idea. To do this, let's read the paragraph again. Here are the answers. Did you get the correct details? If yes, amazing! We're done with the steps 1 and 2. Let us now proceed with step number 3. What is our last step again? Wonderful! You have a good memory.
Let us first know the differences between summarizing and paraphrasing. So how is summarizing different from paraphrasing? A summary and a paraphrase may look alike. However, there are differences. The summary is shorter than the original text, while a paraphrase can be shorter or longer than the original. A summary eliminates details, examples, and supporting points, while a paraphrase describes the original text in different words. It does not leave out any details. I'll briefly write down the ideas in steps 1 and 2 in few sentences. Are you done? Let's see. Were you able to summarize the given text? Great! Let's see how your summary is similar to this one.
Bats can be helpful to humans. They kill unwanted bugs, scatter fruit seeds, and enable plant pollination.
Are you now ready for an activity? If yes, let's get this done. Read and analyze the text. Underline the main idea of the text and circle the important details, then write a two-sentence summary.
Today, the survival of many bat species is uncertain. 60% of bats do not survive past infancy. Some are killed by predators such as owls, hawks, snakes, and other meat eating creatures. But most are victims of pesticides and other human intrusions. In Carlsbad Caverns, New Mexico, where there were once 8 million bats, there are now a quarter million. At Eagle Creek, Arizona, the bat population dropped from 30 million to 30,000 in 6 years.
If you were able to summarize the text, you have been successful at using these strategies. But don't forget to take note the actual answers, which can serve as your guide next time. There you go again. A summary is a shortened version of a text. To summarize, you must read the passage closely, find the main ideas and supporting ideas. Then, you must briefly write down those ideas in the paraphrase sentences. Wow! We're all done! Great job, everyone! Thank you for your participation. I am very happy that you were able to apply all the things that we discussed. I hope you learned a lot today. See you on the next episode of English on Air. This is Teacher Anna, your fantastic learning buddy. Goodbye!